Hey, good evening. This is Teka here. Hope all of you are doing great. So, today's topic dictionary in Python. So, how to use the dictionary? What are the use of dictionary? In this video, we will just discuss only the basic things for the different methods in dictionary. For that, I will take another methods and all. Will make another video because it will take little more time to make this video. So, okay. So first of all, I just like how to denote a dictionary and all. We just want to discuss. Okay. So first of all, I'll take like example. My dictionary name is D1. So I would it's indicated by this floor bracket. Okay, and it's like it's empty dictionary. Empty dictionary you can call it, and we would just like to check display. Okay, D1. I want to check the type of dictionary, then I will take D1. First, I will check. Okay, here we can see it's empty dictionary, type of class dict. You can see the dictionary name is D1, type is dict. Okay, size is 0, and it's an empty dictionary. See, nothing is there, it's empty dictionary. One more thing I would like to say, in dictionary it contains two things: key and it contains value. Why? In Python dictionary will be having the key and pair value. Key is like keys, key and pair, key and values equal to that is dict. Okay, like this we can say. So now we'll take some example. Like example emp equal to, for example, I have a dictionary. Will like this. Okay, to understand better performance, I write emp id equal to, second, I'm writing string, so I need to write in this employee ID, then separate with the colon. Employee ID is 101. Like this, you can type, press enter. Then you take employee, employee, employee name. Okay, take employee name, employee name. One second, employee name, employee name. Then you take like accept, APSH, accept. Okay, then you print MP, MP salary, salary. Then you take like 10k, 10,000. Like this, you can take. Okay, now after creating the dictionary, just want to check whether it is created or not. Even though we will check the type also. Type of that that one. So first of all, we will just execute this one. Okay, just one sec. Okay, one sec. One sec. Now it will execute it. Okay, now it's executed. We can see here our dictionary is created. This is key. This is value. This is key. This is value. This is key. This is value, like this. Okay. So now we will check whether it's created or not. See, it's created. You can see here. Even though we will check the type also. Type also it's a dict type. Then, for example, now we have created a dictionary. Now I just want to get the value of like my dictionary. What is the value of employee ID? What is the value of this particular thing? So what I will do to get that value, you can see one thing. This is like example. This is employee ID. This is value. So what I will do here, first I will take my like MP. This is my dictionary. Now I'll take this square bracket and this one I'll put this employee ID. Okay. It's a string, so I will put in like this. Then I will select and enter. So I got like this. Like this we can fetch the value. We have one more thing to fetch the value. For example, I want to fetch the value with the help of for loop. With the for loop also we can do. How we will do with the for loops? Okay, okay, one sec. Okay, first I will tell you. for each okay, I'll take like this for each item in this is my dictionary name. Then dot, see here we have some methods. Here I'm just taking the one or two methods. Another methods we'll discuss in another video. Okay, so here I'm just telling you like for each item in keys. First I want to display what are the keys is there. So keys is a method, so I'll like this, press enter, then I'll print the x. How I will get all the keys, you can understand. First here for each item, this is my dictionary. The dictionary, I'm just taking all the item. So first in dictionary it will take this first item, like this one by item it will take, and dot keys. So in that item it will just display only the keys. So like this you can see these are my keys: employee ID, employee name, salary. Now for example I just want to get the value. For the values what I will do for each item in, here I will take y, so you'll understand better. For each item in, then emp dot, I'll take now values. Values also have a method. Values, then this column, then print enter. So I put here because my indentation problem. Then I'll print the y here. So here as soon as I'll execute, I'll get this one, this ID accept and 10,000. Like this I will get. For example, if I need at a time all those, what I will do here for each item x, comma y in id dot, we have one method that is item. Then I will print method that is print the print x comma y, both the, see here we can get like this value. Now for example I just want to add some value into the dictionary. How I will add it? My dictionary is emp. Okay, first I will display my dictionary, so you'll understand now this. First I will display my dictionary. This is my dictionary. This is my dictionary. Three columns are there. Now I want to add one more column into the dictionary, that is address column. So emp, then I will take address, a double d, address, okay, address column. Then address I want to put India. Yeah, I want to check whether it's added or not. So what I will do for that, I will just display my name dictionary. It's added. You can see it's added. Here also you can see added, added. Okay. Now one more thing. Okay, like this you can add the dictionary. Okay, this much only the today's session, and for this we have some more methods to perform another operations on this dictionary. For that I will make another video. So thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please share link with your friends, and please practice at your end also. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye, have a great day.